for that. Because now what happens is, at least I feel, because of me, maybe 1% gets benefit, I'll be happy. Similarly, you are so involved, you may think, no one, for example, Shaker is there. Shaker should not think that if Shaker do good, only Shaker is getting benefit. It's not like that. Shaker's one act is equivalent to 100 people's act. Please understand that. That's where we all have to be very honest enough. For example, I am here. If one good thing of mine represents my family, represents my community, represents my country, represents my continent, you understand? So you individually don't think that, oh, I'm an individual person. No, you are connected with the world. You are connected with this beautiful planet. So your one act will make it or break it. So always think that. Don't think that, okay, I'm there, one person will do something bad or good, what happens? No. Always think in a bigger, larger scale. Like our MD sir, what he says, thinking small is a crime. Always think big. When you're thinking, think big in a very positive, royal way. Okay? Life has given a great opportunity, guys. Please respect and learn what you have to. Okay? This basically few things I have spoken. I've got a lot to talk, but definitely you have some other work also. Now, by this, I'll conclude. If any last questions, last thing, anything is there? Anything? Yes, Gautam, would you like to say something? Sure, yeah, sure. Yeah, no, I think call. Okay, hope you understand the session. Hope you've got some benefit out of that. Tell me very honestly, because what happens, everyone needs improvement. We have to improve ourselves. Okay, I was really glad, because what I felt usually is maybe you won't understand what I'm trying to explain, but I'm very glad, because each and everyone has spoken genuinely, honestly, that you learned this word, you learned that one. That's very good. Okay, by this I would like to say a big thank you to you, and probably we'll meet up soon, if I'm sure. And by this I'll conclude and say thank you very much. Cheers.